Moringa, benefits and risks. Learn more about moringa, including what it is, how to eat it, and what the advantages and risks are. The moringa tree, also known as the most nutrient-rich plant yet known, has also acquired the nickname miracle tree in locations where it is growing. Moringa is a plant that originated in North India and is currently grown throughout Africa, Arabia, Southeast Asia, the Pacific and Caribbean islands, and South America. The idiom "what's old is new" again seems appropriate for the centuries-old moringa, which has only recently entered the popular wellness and nutrition debate. However, before you start putting moringa powder into your morning smoothie or tossing moringa leaves into your favorite spaghetti sauce, you should read more about the benefits and hazards of moringa. Here's what science has to say about it. The leaves, seeds, roots, and blossoms of this tree are all technically edible. Though it appears that the seeds, seed oil, and ground powder, through the leaves and stems, are the most often used parts, especially in the United States, India and other countries. Most people take the powder as a supplement, in a tea, or combined into a smoothie. It contains more than 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 10 times the vitamin A of carrots, 17 times the calcium of milk, 9 times the protein of yogurt, 15 times the potassium of bananas, and 25 times the iron of spinach, according to a study published in the journal Food Science and Human Wellness. Moringa's phytochemical composition is also well known. It includes cancer-fighting glucosinolates, which are also present in cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower and broccoli. With such a long nutritional resume, it's easy to see why moringa is being touted as the next big superfood for modern diets. Moringa has long been used for medicinal purposes. The seeds have been used, raw or crushed, in folk medicine to alleviate stomach pain, ulcers, impaired vision, joint pain, and aid digestion. For centuries, the plant, leaves and stems, has been used to cure anemia, anxiety, asthma, blood impurities, bronchitis, chest congestion, cholera, and other ailments all throughout the world. Moringa is available in a variety of forms, although it is most typically purchased and ingested as a powder or capsule, a less common form of moringa. Moringa seeds produce an oil that is high in oleic acid and tocopherols and can be used as a fantastic substitute for olive oil. Oleic acid is a monounsaturated fatty acid that has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and has been shown to help lower cholesterol. Moringa seeds have a number of well-known health-promoting compounds in them. Moringa oil, extracted from the seeds, has primarily monounsaturated fats, which are believed to be heart-healthy. It's also high in alpha-tocopherol, a nutrient that our bodies convert to vitamin E. Moringa seeds and herbs are also said to have anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, ulcer-fighting, antibacterial, and antioxidant qualities. Moringa chemicals have also been shown in animal experiments to cause the pancreas to produce insulin. In addition, a preliminary study suggests that 2 substances have anti-tumor effects. Moringa appears to be safe for humans to consume, although the amount that is acceptable varies from person to person. However, if ingested in large amounts, the phytate present in moringa might produce unpleasant responses. Despite the fact that there are no documented precautions or reasons why people should avoid moringa, its iron level may be a worry for some. Those that need to avoid excessive iron in the diet and in supplements may need to be cautious. Despite the fact that moringa has been used in alternative medicine for thousands of years, scientific research on the tree as a nutritional supplement is sparse. According to an analysis published in the Journal of Toxicology, a daily limit of 70 grams of moringa aloe leaves is suggested to prevent potential cumulative toxicity. Moringa powder will not make you instantaneously healthier, but it will provide you with a boost of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's not required to drink moringa on a regular basis to receive the same nutritional benefits, and it's vital to note that no dietary supplement can replace a well-balanced diet rich in nutrients. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. And also subscribe to the channel and smash the bell icon so that you get all the new updates instantly.